I can tell, but I could never right my wrong.